G'day, I'm Dave from Blue Mountain Co, and today we're going to take you on a behind the scenes look of RainLab, which is our testing facility here in Brisbane. So there are a few different elements that make up RainLab. I'm just going to take you through each of them one by one, explain what we use them for and how that helps us create better products for you. So the first one is our roof rig here. We use the roof rig to test our range of Blue Mountain mesh and various components. So the roof rig here, you can see we've got one here mounted with corrugated roof sheet. Over here we have a trim deck roof sheet. So with our roof rigs, we're able to swap and change whatever roof sheets are required for our testing. We can put on things like tiles, like trim deck roofs, clip lock, corrugated roof sheets. So it really allows us to develop better products for our customers. Even to the point where if you have a particular roof profile that you need a solution for, we can get in that profile and test our products here, make a custom solution for you if that's the route you want to go down. Also, you can notice here we've mounted a little pipe on the top of this. This is a small version of a Rainmaker, which we've got on our big video rig. We'll show you that later, but this also allows us to test water flow through our mesh and into the gutter. We can also test, vary the pitch of these roofs. So that's really helpful, especially when we're talking about valley mesh installations and just making sure that we can provide a solution for you. So the next element in our test setup is this massive wall here, which is our video wall. We use this for both filming our products. So you may have seen our installation, our overview and maintenance videos on YouTube. So we've got it set up here for filming right now. Basically what it is it's just a large wall that we've built inside our warehouse here. On top of it, we've got a standard corrugated roof sheet and gutter. We've got a gutter dropper here at the moment. We've got a leaf beater rain head mounted on the wall there. And above that, we have the Rainmaker. Basically, we can run water over and through the system and test various flow rates. So we can test anything from a really light shower all the way up to 100-year ARI rainfall event. If you come behind here, you can see basically the whole system is controlled by a couple of pumps here. We've got a flow meter here as well. So that gives us a really clear reading. It's just a digital flow meter, really clear reading on the flow rates that are coming through the pump and landing on the roof. So we can get a really thorough understanding of what's happening and what sort of rainfall intensities look like through different products. So coming over here, we've got the ability to connect our video wall to a few different tanks here. So we've got our corrugated steel tank, we've got a roto-molded poly tank over there. It's actually got a prototype product on it at the moment that we're testing. So this allows us to test different types of overflows, tank screens, that sort of thing. Over here, we've got our custom clear tank, and we've actually made this specifically to show our customers how water behaves inside a tank. So things like solar shields, making sure that you can understand how our product delivers you better quality rainwater. This is what we call our test rig, but probably the easiest way to understand it is it's a continuous flow rig. So basically what we can do here is pump water at varying flow rates through the piping and into a product. So we've had a few different versions of this over the years, and it's really enabled us to really finely control the flow of water through the pipes and test our products really thoroughly before we release them to you, the customer. So over here we can control our series of 3 pumps here. So the easiest way to imagine this is each pump itself is able to deliver up to 10 litres a second of flow. So in total, we can run this machine anywhere from 0.1 litres per second all the way up to 30 litres per second, which is a huge volume of water. But it's generally something, that sort of volume is something that we'd be testing our commercial series of products with. So just making sure that our product is fit for the application it's designed for. So I can just turn it on now. We can just show you some water running through it. we've got a tank screen mounted on the end at the moment, and we'll just run this at 0.5 litre per second. And I'll just give you some idea of how we use this machine. So you can see the water flowing through. We've got another digital flow meter over here, and that gives us an accurate reading. It adjusts automatically, so we know we're getting exactly the right flow rate. It really helps us fine-tune our testing so that we can basically simulate a huge array of conditions in a really short time frame. And so, for example, with a tank screen, we'll test it from 0.1 litres a second up to 5 litres a second and beyond. And that depends on what sort of tank screen it is. So for a commercial application, it might be even higher than that. We test all of our rain heads on here as well. And we also have the ability to put debris into the pipes. So that helps us to tune our products as well to ensure that they are able to cope with varying different types of debris, just to make sure they work really well. And finally, just over here, we've got our little, I'm just going to turn this off. Over here, we just got our little meeting rig. So, for example, if you're particularly interested in a product or you want to know how it works in more detail and it's something that we can show you in our Rain Lab, we're happy to schedule a meeting with you and show you over video link, whatever you want to see. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our Rain Lab. If you want to know more about any of our products, just jump onto our website.